Hello, my name is Noah from the YouTube channel Arts. We are going to do a clinic later in the year about repairing stuff. And this is going to be a YouTube video to help you how to repair a light bulb. So first, it's not safe to touch it while the electricity is on. So we have to go over here and turn it off. So now that this is turned off, we use left to loosen and right to tighten. So we unscrew it left. Now we take it out. I have two types of light bulbs here. I'm going to try this one first. Now this one definitely does not fit because this one's a lot bigger. So now we're going to try the second type of light bulb we have. We're going to try this one. Remember, right to tight, left to loosen. And this one works. We screw it in. Make sure it's tight in there, but don't try to tighten it too hard, it also might pop. And then it works. Thank you. This is our YouTube channel.